Yes guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your host Adam here from Hair System DIY. Before I get going, please don't forget, for all of my new subscribers or anyone who hasn't bought from them before, newlacecu.com offering 20%, a massive 20% off your first system. Just enter newlacecu20, capital N, in the coupon code box on their website and you'll be getting yourself that 20% off. So head over to their website after this video and you can check out their latest systems. I actually got two the other day, which I want to very briefly discuss. One being a beautiful French lace with lovely bleached knots, as you can see at the front. Really nice bleaching there, lovely bleached knots. A nice sort of gradiated hairline as well. So this French lace base, and then we've also got one here which is a lace frontal, as you can see here, a nice lace frontal with a poly perimeter. And this is kind of like a bit more if you're looking for slightly easier maintenance, just as I get an itch on my head, slightly easier maintenance for when you're in a bit of a rush, you want to get the tape off nice and quick. I think with a French lace, it can take a little bit longer, a bit more work, but you know, both are really good summer systems. And I tend to break my systems down into winter systems or summer systems. Summer systems, you want something a bit lighter, preferably a lace, because you're going to be sweating, you're going to be perspiring, and you need something that's a bit more breathable, which is why I love these kind of lace systems, especially in summer. And they give a really nice sort of natural appearance, especially if you like to have your hair up like moi. I'm going to talk about maintenance today. Not maintenance in terms of, you know, cleaning and that kind of thing. Maintenance in terms of, I was just checking my microphone was on there, thank goodness it is. I'm talking about something that should maintain your system in the longer term. Argan oil. This stuff is fantastic and I really recommend it as an add-on, so supplementary to your main regimen. And your main regimen should look something like a weekly shampoo, a weekly condition, a daily leave-in conditioner, a hair mask every fortnight if you can afford to do so. But this is something that I add in every day because it's fantastic. You know, I got the idea from my mum. I remember was using this for her hair years ago and I was like, why is she dripping this stuff in? And her hair looks great. She's in her 60s, her hair looks fantastic. It's shiny, it's smooth, it's soft. And I started doing a bit of Googling and I decided to buy some from Holland & Barrett, which is a UK-based health store. And it really does help keep the hair nourished. And now I use it every day. It like comes in, I think you can get it in a spray, but you know, this comes as a sort of little pipette and you don't need to use much. You know, I just literally use about a pipette's worth and I just sort of dab it in my hair like so. Sometimes I use like 2 pipettes worth. It literally is that easy, like part of my morning regimen, just to keep the hair nice and nourished. I've also done a bit of self-dye on my hair as well, but nothing crazy, just a bit of sun in, which I do actually recommend in sort of small amounts, as long as you're coming to the end of your life system with the system itself. I just sort of rub that in, because it does dry the hair out, but it does give it a nice sort of blondish look. And it's not crazy, it's not like doing your own proper bleaching of the hair. And then you sort of like rub in the argan oil, and I just leave it like that for the day, and it just feels so much softer. So guys, not a must, not something that would necessarily be in your daily regimen, but it's something that I've added to mine, and it's really added value, duration, value and duration to the current system that I'm wearing. This is a super thin skin. This is the thinnest skin you can get, yet it's lasted me about 3 months, which is pretty good going for a super thin skin. In about a week and a half, I'm gonna go for the French lace next. We're coming into summer, it's nice and breathable. This should last me about 4 to 6 months. Because I do take care of these. I really do. I treat them as if they're my children. And if you do, you get much more life out of it. you get much longer duration out of it, you know. As I say with hair systems, you know, treat hair systems as you would like to be treated. You know, generously, well, spoilt, basically. So yeah, that's going to be my next one. Next time you see me, I will be wearing that system. I haven't really decided on what hairstyle I'm going to go for. How about throwing some suggestions into the comments box, guys? Let's get a conversation going. What hairstyle should I go for next? Link them to me, because I know you can't share images on comments. At least I don't think you can. But link me some websites of pictures which you think I'd look good in terms of hairstyle. And we'll see which one I go for. I hope you've enjoyed the content, guys. Don't forget that discount. Get on the Argan Oil if you can afford it. And I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.